Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add your business location on Instagram. First of all, open up the Maps app. Select your business location and tap on the Share button. Click on Copy to Clipboard to copy the location. Then open up the Instagram app and click on your profile icon from the bottom corner. After that, click on the Edit Profile button. Now tap on Add Link to paste the link you copied earlier and give the title of your link. After pasting the link, write the title as Our Place. Then click on Tick from the top right corner. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.